Step inside a home of timeless elegance, where sunlit rooms, rich textures, and marble-clad retreats blend sophistication with comfort in every detail. The entryway welcomes with pale walls, warm wood accents, fresh flowers, and a gold-framed mirror that catches the morning light. The living room opens up in full view, bathed in light from tall windows. The decorative fireplace frames an ornate mirror, and glass and metal tables maintain an airy feel that balances the richness of the wall color. A secondary seating area offers a softer mood. Muted armchairs invite relaxed conversation, while touches of greenery breathe life into the gray palette. A vintage armoire brings rustic charm to the otherwise refined setting. The living room blends elegance and comfort with soft gray seating, a sleek black table, warm light from tall windows, and touches of greenery and vintage charm. The dining space sits gracefully between classic charm and casual comfort. A central round wooden table, surrounded by mismatched chairs, invites long meals and conversation. Above the fireplace, a gilded mirror catches glimmers of light, and patterned rugs tie the dining area seamlessly to the surrounding rooms. A richly toned wood island with slender legs anchors the kitchen, offering an open, airy feel. Industrial stools tuck neatly beneath, while oversized glass lanterns overhead add a touch of old-world charm, making the space both functional and warmly inviting. The kitchen combines soft gray cabinetry and warm wood floors with an impressive stainless steel refrigerator, while open shelving adds casual charm. A wide sunlit window above the sink, dressed in a simple linen shade, highlights sleek fixtures, subtle greenery, and functional accents, creating a fresh, uncluttered feel. A marble-clad bathroom exudes spa-like luxury, with sleek black fixtures, glowing LED accents, and a walk-in shower that flows seamlessly from floor to ceiling stone. The design continues with a long double vanity topped with angular mirrors, while open shelving beneath keeps the space airy and refined. Muted linens and an earthy tone throw enhance the serene feel, while skylights and floral-patterned wallpaper create a cocoon-like charm. From the opposite angle, the symmetry and view toward a warmly lit dressing room add a touch of elegance and intimacy. In this room, a deep teal dressing area features concealed cabinetry, a golden centerpiece table, and a cozy window seat, with a marble bathroom glistening beyond. The bathroom pairs a freestanding dark tub and marble shower with dramatic veining, complemented by a minimalist vanity, polished accents, and a tall mirror that enhances light and space. Marble flows across the vanity beneath a full-width mirror, with gold fixtures adding warmth to the cool stone. The narrow shower, clad in white marble and brass, shines like a jewel box, its glass enclosure keeping the design open and refined.